Welcome back everyone, thank you for tuning in for another video. This is going to be a complete set unboxing. We're going to unbox the Justice League from last year. There you go. Then we got the Superman, Batman, Wonder Woman, Flash, Aquaman, Cyborg I think, and there is the last card of the whole Justice League. But we're going to do something. I wanted to keep the art of the card, so we are going to do a little bit of acetone on the back. Checking out the cars, we got the Power Pro for the Superman car. For Batman, we got the Street Shaker. For Wonder Woman, Maximum Leeway. For Flash, we got RD09. For Aquaman, we got Blvd Bruiser. For Cyborg, we got Quick and Sick. Bass in with the speakers in the back, very cool. So let's start unboxing. How this gets done is that you put a little bit of acetone in a cotton swab and just leave it dabbing. We leave it be. All right, so let me do this to all of them, and then we'll start unboxing them and see how they end up. After a few minutes, it just comes off just like that. There is the card, somewhat complete. And let's check out the card. Very cool color. I like the blue. That Superman logo on the side of the Hot Wheels. And then there's this cape. I'm sorry. The only thing about this method is that it takes a little bit to the cards to get out. So here's the card. I like the Batman logo on the back, the Justice League, big Batman logo on the top. Colors are pretty cool. This is a pretty cool Batmobile, in my opinion. Wonder Woman is the one that's kind of like, it's coming off, but it's coming off with a little bit of extra. This car feels so weird. It's so light, like it's made out of weird plastic or something. But the design is cool, the colors is cool. That Wonder Woman logo in the front, they all have to be branded with Justice League on it, I guess, so you can know what movie it came from. Here's the Flash. Let's check out the car. That's what we're here for. Look at that. Very cool. Where is the Justice League logo? There it is in the bottom. We got this little spikes at the end. Very cool themed. And it's Aquaman. There's the card. See? Cut off pretty clean. That's the car. Very cool. Very cool tempos. And then the logo of Aquaman. Looks like a upside down shark tooth. Very cool. There's Aquaman. Where is Cyborg? Very cool and light. It's a very light car, but I like the tempos. I like the whole color of it, the scheme, everything of it. It's pretty cool. Last but not least, we got the Justice League card. There's the card. Here is the vehicle. All those speakers. Look at that color, yellow with those red and gray stripes in the front. You got the whole Justice League, the silhouette. There it is, the whole Justice League set for the Hot Wheels diecast. I want to give a big thank you to my brother, Super the Collector 85. Big shout out to him. Thank you, brother, hooking me up with this the set so I can unbox it here. So go give a thanks to him. Super the Collector, my brother from the same mother. Thank you very much, carnal. Appreciate it, and we'll see you to the next time, the next video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and leave a comment, please. Peace.